maybe it will be Moitin or Rahil, right? Okay, so Isas, or Ali, or Injumamul, or Shakir. But actually, I'm going to give you a trivia. I'm going to give you a trivia to whoever our social media influencer is. As I keep mentioning in our group, he's very famous now in the Philippines. So, let's see. Okay, so who he is or who she is, the trainer of the Oppo Philippines is asking me to interview Ranchayan or maybe Rahil or Ali, who knows? Okay, and I said we will come to know. Okay, because of course he is our Oppo property from UAE. Okay, not only that, Oppo Kenya is also following him or her when it comes to the Oppo TikTok. So you could not imagine all the MEA from Egypt, Philippines, and Kenya. So let's reveal who is our social media influencer. Ganshaya Kumar! Yes, Ganshaya, can you please go behind? You are our social media influencer. So from that, maybe call Mr. Mark, of course, to give our certificate and the all fresh. Wow, amazing! Amazing star! TikToker, Facebooker, what else? Instagrammer, Twitter. Mr. Mark, yes? Please hand over our certificate and all fresh to our social media influencer Ganshaya. Ganshaya, so you'll be more famous, okay? Soon to be in anywhere around the world, okay? Because social media is everywhere. But remember me and Ms. Rita visited you during the Ramadan, and you gave us 4 tips on how to be successful in social media. So once more, can you share it to us? The 4 tips that you mentioned to us.
Follow, like, subscribe.
Hi, this is Gansham from Oppo. You all know this is my hashtag, but when I'm in shop or when I'm somewhere else, I'm saying I'm Gansham from Karun Mobile Phone. But I'm actually working in Oppo, so this is my tag now. I'm Gansham from Oppo.
Big fan, big fan, big fan.
The thing is that I would like to tell you one more thing. I joined Oppo 2017. I never shared this stage in the duration of 4 years. So this is this was my dream and the dream come true. Mental management who recognized me. Number of people they come in my shop, they took photo, like in my own house today I am. So thank you so much. And we are talking about the tips. So tips, like it's not all about the tips. I would say like it's all about hobbies. We all are working, we all are going, sleeping, eating, that's it. We have few targets. No, it's not enough. When we are in the market, we do have to do differently. What when I come here in Dubai 2017, I don't have any dream. But what I learned from my staff, from the customers and all, it's all about hobbies. So I changed my hobbies, and now what is my hobbies is just doing simple things and give the extraordinary effort on particular work, guys. So what I did, I started my TikTok account, which is like more than 100k and 1.2 million likes is there. Still in my ID under review. I did not tell to anybody, but I am telling you now. It is going for blue tick. Hope you can understand, guys. So what I want to tell you that, like when we are doing our work, something different, you will get extra, which I get it. I never imagined I will be followed by like somebody else in Philippines, Kenya, or somebody else. So it was a result. When you guys doing some like work, there should be extra effort. That's it, guys. That's what I want to share with you. Thank you so much. Please don't get demotivated, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you as well, but the thank you is not yet done with the tips.
Yeah, the tips. The tips is, guys, when you are with a customer, your body language should be active. First thing. Second thing, whatever the thing which you are talking about, it should be clear. It should be clear, and let's suppose you have two promoters in your shop, because we are in the same field. So I'll give you the example for that. We have two promoters in the shop, and one is from our competitor, you can say from Vivo, and I am sitting here. But when customer is coming, he is saying he want to purchase Vivo. And one is came and he is talking to you and he is saying he wants Oppo. So your voice should be light so that other person or other customer can hear you properly, and he should have some interest. What is the different thing is here? Why he is presenting his phone like that? So this is the thing. And fourth thing is that just understand to customer query. That's it, guys. No need to give, no need to shout, no need to do anything. Just understand. If you are attending your customer, it's not like that your eyes, your ear is there. No, your eyes or your ears should be there also, because the customer you are dealing, this is already done. But what next? What next is there? So this would be my tip. And when you become famous, I'm not saying I'm famous, but I'm getting daily 120 calls. I would like to tell one person, his name is Mohit, he is my roommate. So he will, if somebody want to ask like how he support me और किस तरीके से इसने मैंने इसको परेशान किया. Actually I'm irritating my roommate. One of the example of Mohit, I am getting number of calls in the night, the timing of night 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. He is the person always telling Ghanshyam bhai, thoda andar, thoda bite, like that. So whenever you have I'm just telling you the tip. I'm telling you the tip, and this is the part tip which means what? Like when you become famous or when you become have number of calls, don't be get irritated with your customer, because that is your first priority.
Good.
That's what I want to tell you that time. So that's it. My side.
More. Okay. So this is actually our success. So we came to know that Mohit is already irritated because midnight you've been receiving calls. So for sure next month he will do partition, right? Or backspace, right, Mohit? No.
One more thing I would like to tell about Mohit. When I started TikTok, and there was like after 2 months, what did I get banned? So there was some appeal application. When you do the appeal, it will get activated. So I was totally get demotivated. I gave up. So he told me that, Paji, tell me one thing. Do you spend anything for that? Become famous, or you have something more people, or whenever you go anywhere in Satwa or somewhere place, people say, yeah, you are Ghanshyam. I said, no, I didn't spend anything from there. So he told me that, then what happened? Then go ahead. Then I said, yes, if I didn't spend anything on TikTok and I'm become famous, so why didn't I? So he is the person, he gave me motivation. Thank you so much, Mohit. And yes, one more lady. One more lady I recognize, her name 60,000 follower YouTube. Yeah, and then with that.
Are you sure? Okay. Thank you so much, Kanchaya. We make the best perfect tips and the fun and the enlightenment. All people are involved in your speech, from Mohit to Nancy to everybody. But however, thanks for the humor, Kanchaya. So it only tells that if there's a will, there's a way, right? No matter what it is. So, as we know, again, once more, thank you, Ganshayam. Okay, he's doing the fist bump with the success. Okay, so once again, congratulations, Ganshayam, for the social media influencer for Oppo. You're famous in Philippines, Kenya, Egypt, all over Oppo, worldwide. Okay, but then again, congratulations. So, moving on forward, guys.